Happy birthday to a truly wonderful person. Today is a celebration of your life, your kindness, and the happiness you bring to others. May your day be filled with love, laughter, good health, and unforgettable memories. Keep shining, keep smiling, and never stop chasing your dreams. Wishing you many more beautiful birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday sa inyo, and I have just some short message. So first of all, I just want to say a happy birthday, man, and you're an incredible person who has helped me become my own today. You've taught me so many important lessons in life, and I am grateful because I have you. And you're not just even my mom, but you are someone that I can rely on. And thank you for your love, care, and sacrifice. Even though I am stubborn kid sometimes, but you always forgive me and show love for me. And I pray that this year's bring happiness, good health, and more blessings that you deserve. And that could be all. And take care. And happy birthday again. I love you. And that's it. Enjoy your special day. Bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sis. Saan taman layo man ka. Ulisa, ligo tag dagat. May balik ra kapag human na sa imong birthday. Nako distas ron. Distas kay nag-adjust og antina. Tanaw akong view diri. Mapo kay kog view diri do. Oh. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you, Tito Darling. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Darling. Happy birthday.
So, good morning, Maros. Happy 33rd birthday. Wish na ako sa mga istra kani gato tas kinabuhi. Healthy na panglabas ug mabanding pa yung mga pamilya, especially sa Karel. Ug salamat ma sa pagdawat sa kuha as your own son, and unta makita pa ta sunod ini ko lang. Thank you kayo. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Mashallah, mashallah. In the birthday, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Stay strong, be healthy, be happy always. Take care. I missed you. God bless. Masalama.
Hi, Rose. Magandang gabi. Sensya na at nilista ko na pagbati sa iyo. Happy birthday nga pala. Bago matapos pala itong araw natin. Sorry pala at nalita. Good health and ingat palagi siya. And then I miss you. Sana magkita ulit tayo. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday ako mga pag-ampo nimo nga Ginoo kanunay, mag-auban, mga panalangin o mga dugang pag mga daghang katuigan diha kanimo. Once again, happy birthday. May the Lord bless you.
Morning. Sorry kaayo kay abi na ko katupang for imong birthday, so pinadali ni kay daghan pa kong trabaho. So gaw, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa imo, and I declare na tagaan pa ka ni Lord o daghan pang katuigan, and then i-bless pa ka ni Lord sa tanan nimong mga plano sa imong kinabuhi uban sa imong pamilya, and salamat sa imong pagkamaayo sa amoa, sa ako. Kailangan ko siguro di kung wala ko diri. Okay. tungod kay na-inspired ko sa imuha maong naka-decide po ko nga mo abroad dili lang sa ako ang kuan kung dili ka nang gusto po na akong masinati kung sa ang feeling na kanang makahatag ta sa atong family. And then salamat gaw sa imong pagkabuutan, mingaw na kay kuning mo. Sure, kilakon ko. Happy birthday gaw, and unta soon magkita ta. Magkita jud ta gaw. Di lang kay ko makakuan ron kay kanang bago pa mangud ko maulap ako sa mga amo. And salamat again sa imuhang pagka-humble. Stay pretty and sexy. Sexy. Tin maura to gaw. Happy birthday. I love you so much. God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rose.
Selamat ulang tahun kami ucapkan. Selamat panjang umur kita akan doakan. Selamat sejahtera, sehat sentosa. Selamat panjang umur anti Ros bahagia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Yeah!
We're so cute. Thank you, Antorini.
You're
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear friend.